Start preparing. Add water to the chiller. Add water according to the scale of the chiller, and the water level line falls in the upper middle part of the grain. Connect the gas to the laser equipment. Turn on the gas and adjust the pressure reducer to keep the oxygen pressure at 0.8 mp and the nitrogen pressure at 2 mpa. If using an air compressor, please connect the high-pressure gas pipeline. The main power supply of the equipment is connected to three 380-volt circuits. Pay attention to grounding. Next, start operating the machine. First close the external circuit breaker, then close the internal circuit breaker. Turn off the chiller switch, wait for the chiller to make a click sound, and click to confirm to ensure that the chiller is working properly. Click the power switch to turn on the device, and the middle indicator light will light up. Click the computer switch, wait for the control system to start, select the operating system icon, and double-click to enter. Follow the system prompts to return all access to their origins. Light up the gas icon and click the blow button as shown in the video. Gas will blow out. Make sure the cutting gas is connected. Open laser shutter and aiming. Import the drawing according to the video prompts. Modify the cutting parameters for cutting. The cutting parameters for different power ranges are different. You can chat with me privately. Move the laser head over the plate and control the Z-axis so that the nozzle is about 3 mm away from the plate. According to the video steps, click Calibrate and the calibration result is excellent or good. Finally, please click the Start button to start processing. Before pressing the Start button, please make sure there is a plate under the cutting head and the drawing can be cut completely. Remember this.